Good morning, Alabama! This is Kimchi from this channel, and we have been researching about how commercial chicken farming has been affecting our world. Now, this just in, Sandy Cooper interviewing a local farming resident and what he has to say about the issue. Take it away, Sandy!
Thank you, Kimchi. Hello, I'm Sandy Cooper from this channel, coming to you live from Mobile, Alabama. And I'm here to interview a local resident about his chicken farming. And now introducing
Jim Jenkins Jr.
Yeah, Jim Jenkins Jr. So, Jim, tell me about your farming.
I harvest chickens.
You harvest them?
Yeah, chop them up nice and pretty.
Oh, okay.
Well, wait, missy, I ain't done yet. But after I chop them up nice and good, I toss them in that bucket, send them on the yonder truck down there, and then I send them down the yard and make a pop corn while I'm at it.
Oh, so, you enjoyed it?
Oh, yeah. Did every day of my life, just like Pa taught me.
So, you've been doing this for a long time?
Oh, yeah, that's down there right.
So, would you like to show me your process?
And I'll pop them right here. Come on, man.
So, Jim, what are you about to do?
I want to toss them here leftovers.
Aren't you going to pollute the earth?
Nah, it's all going to decompose.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. Mother Nature takes everything back. I'll see y'all later now. Take care.
And this is Sandy Cooper from this channel, closing out my interview.
Okay, I'm going ham, I ain't eating extra breakfast. Trying to figure out my lunch is keeping me so restless. Used to love poetry, but now I'm gone breathless. Think you know your facts, homie, you don't want to test this. Yeah, I'm breaking out, about to hatch, fresh up out the batch. You don't want to get attached, cause you know your boys are fire. You can light them like a match, crack them like a titan, baby. You know you don't want to clash. Yeah, let's get it. Why be so crying about some chicken farming? Got so many chickens, you think it's alarming. Coop so big, it should have a warning. So many hits for 100 eggs by the morning. What? Chickens all around me when you step up in my farm. What? Coop loaded to the top, roof off the barn. Ammonia ain't harmful, it don't affect me. Ouch. Get the FDA off me and let me be free. Take me off the warning sign, call off the dispatch. Take me off the list, girl. Call a chicken scratch. Let me tell you a little something about pollution. Lethal gases like ammonia will ruin air up in the atmosphere. Okay. Get that killing out of here. And they fed hormones and antibiotics we end up consuming. It all goes down on the chicken farms. Yeah, even now while I'm spitting bars. Yeah, and you may think that it don't matter, but that chicken in that batter one day gonna hit you hard.